this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is an unboxing of Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. Now, what that is crochet and knit. So you get a pattern for both. So let's go ahead and see. All I've done is clip the top. So let's see what is in our box this week. I really love their packaging. It's so cool. All right. Okay, looky here. Irish country baskets. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? So I wonder if it comes with the little brown strap on there. Very nice. Okay, and so this is just junk mail, part of it. There's my invoice. All right, let's look at this yarn. Woo! Look at that. That's all that's in the bag. Oh, it does come with the strap. Looky. There it is right there. You guys know I'm going to have to make this, right? All right, so let's just dig in this. Good, it's the kind that you can open and close back. All right, so let's take a look at the strap here. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to have to cut this. Where are those scissors? Here we go. All right, so let's just cut this. Here we go. Take a look at this strap. So there are two in here. Oh, I'm about to lose my yarn. Okay, so there's two in here. Ooh, very nice. Look at that. Lovely. There we go. Yeah. I like that. I like that a lot. So that comes in the Hook and Needle Kit Club for the month from Annie's. All right, so let's take a look at the yarn, and then we're going to look at the pattern again. Okay, so I think this is probably a good choice of yarn because it's not like real soft. You don't want really soft yarn to make a basket, trust me. It says Annie's Caring Crochet Kit Club. It's a medium full weight yarn, 190 yards, 100% acrylic. Do not iron, do not bleach. Tumble dry, gentle, low heat, cool, machine wash, gentle. I think this is a perfect yarn to make a basket with. Look at that. See all those cute specks and stuff that are in there? Very nice. So the kit comes with 3 skeins of this. And as you saw, it comes with the little straps. So let's take a look at the pattern again. All right, so like I said, the Annie's Crochet, Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club is both a crochet and a knit pattern that you get. And so in the book, it will show you the crochet version, and like here is the knitted version. It's on the back side. And the front side has the crochet version. There we go. So as you can see that, I guess I could open it and you can see it better that way. Okay, so as you can see, the knitted has more of these designs down at the bottom where this one is a little more plain. And it has the designs up here and then a few little things here. But see, the knitted is just a little different. So that's what you get. And it's glossy. I love their instruction book that are glossy like this. Let's see. So there's crochet. I was just going to see if there might be another picture in here. But nope, that's all the pictures. So you can go to annieskitclub.com, and if you subscribe to them, they have so many different kits to choose from, guys. Between Afghans, kids clubs, craft clubs, quilt clubs, you name it. They just about got it all. But I really, really love Annie's kit clubs. One thing is that you never lose your pattern. If you lose this at home, you log into your account and you can print off your instructions. I love it. And on their tutorial part, they have a left and right-handed tutorials. So lefties, you can't say you can't do it because it's not a pattern for you. They have left and right. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys and do my little unboxing review. I always love their little package that they come in. One time I received this and it wasn't in this package, and I have to admit I was pretty disappointed about it. It was just in a plain gray bag, and I was like, oh, I miss my Annie's bag. So, but anyway, it was just one time, and so that's it. That's a monthly club. So if you're interested in that and you like to crochet and you like to knit, there are 2 versions to, whatever their pattern is for the month. Okay, guys, that is all that I have for this video. I just wanted to jump on here and show you guys my newest Annie's hook and needle kit club. So if you end up subscribing to them, you can always cancel at any time. And I believe I'll leave a link with a discount, like 50% off your first box, I guess. And if you decide you don't like it, then you can always go into your account and cancel. I like subscription clubs like that because, sometimes you just want to try it. And it may not be all that, you was hoping it to be. Or you could run into financial issues, for a moment, for a season and things like, and you need to put it on hold. You can do things like that as well. And I like that because in the past, there have been times where I've had to put mine on hold. And then when I got finances, back the way that I was comfortable of spending the extra money, then I went back and then took it off hold. So, and I have canceled subscriptions. I've tried different ones, and the ones that I felt like that I just wasn't getting as much out of, I had gone ahead and canceled those. So, yeah, it's very, very good. It's been very easy to deal with, I guess, whenever I need to do stuff like that. And so right now, the one that I'm working with is the Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. All right, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to keep crocheting, live life, and have fun. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.